Jerusalema, ikayalami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalema, ikayalami, ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Dawo yami ayikholana, ubuso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze, uhambe nami. Dawo yami ayikholana, ubuso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze, yeah, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are watching me from. I am here today again to talk about my product, this business opportunity and the product. You can see that I'm excited. I'm just happy because I was paid today. I collect my salary today without going to work, without rushing to bus stop to look for bike. Inside my house, in my house, on the bed, I can even open my website anywhere, even in the kitchen, anywhere. I can sell, the place order, understand? So that is why I am here today again to say, my ladies, this business is not joke. Go shere, no be joke. Not be joke, eh? It's a legit business with your 60 euro. And you won't regret it. Because most of us now, the shoe we are putting on is more than 60 euro. Our human hair is more than 50 euro. It's more than 60 euro. Some people will say they want to scam. So if I want to scam now, I will bring out my face and I will come here to scam 60 euro. No. It's a business opportunity that is raining because this juice plus company, they are ready to give us 155,000 euro. So why not we stand up and grab our own? It's not a joke. It's not as in I just woke up and I I just check my this thing. I see money. I was excited because they will even write it there that they were the one that pay your salary. So that is why I came out again, because I don't even know how it was just so interesting. For us that we are just still at home, we are not doing anything for now. Why can't we just sign up with this 60 euro and let the 60 euro change you automatically? Even if you are working, it doesn't really matter. Even you are working, it will add more to your account. Yes, it will add more. And the business is not the business that you need to have your certificate. You need to go to Cambridge before you can start it. No. So far you have your smartphone and you have Wi-Fi, you are good to go. Immediately you sign up without your 60 euro. The next month they will pay you back the 60 euro that you used to register with interest, with commission. So you are not investing anything. Just for you to come out, tell people that see what the product is made of and see what they can use it for and see what the product contains. Then you have your bonus. You have your bonus. You have your salary. So that is it, my people. Because when people will say, they will just scam you. With 60 euro, I will now bring out my face. I will bring out my identity for you to because I want to scam you of 60 euro. 60 euro is changing life. 60 euro is changing life. We can do it. Before I signed up to this Facebook since years ago. They know they pay me. They know they pay me. I mean they subscribe. I dey pay my internet, I dey subscribe this one, I dey pay Wi-Fi, I dey do this one. But now I wan make Facebook, I wan use this Facebook, I wan use this internet also to make my own money. I wan make them pay me now. Now I just dey collect. The first time where I just dey collect money, say I use my smartphone take collect money with this one. So what are we waiting for? Men are doing it, grandmas are doing it, housewives are doing it. You can even still be working and you can do it. It doesn't stop you. Just for you to tell people what this thing works for. And it's not harmful. This is our product. This is just fruits and vegetable. That's all. No chemical. No preservative inside. Nothing. It doesn't have side effects. So what are we waiting for? Why not grab your copy? Grab it as it dey hot. Come collect your own. The business is just like a river. Everybody can come and fetch. It doesn't matter who brought you. You can go ahead the person. Overtaking is allowed for this business. Just 60 euro. The 60 euro, you are not just investing 60 euro. The following month, your 60 euro, you have more than your 60 euro. I received the real money, not fake. In my poster, I receive it. I dey sleep when they come and say, go check you, go check. They don't pay salary. I quickly carry my phone, I check my office, I say, they don't already pay. So my people, if this thing is not working, I won't be here telling us, because it's just an opportunity for us, opportunity for we ladies, or those that we are just at home for now, that we are not working due to the cause of this COVID-19. We can do it. Some of us, we have laptop, we have phone, we have even more than 3 phones. We are not using it just to watch films and all that. But we can just use one to register. We just try it with this 60 euro. You thank me later, because you will receive your 60 euro times. Just to tell people what it works for. This is just vegetable. It is not harmful at all. We have it. We have the booster. This is our product. We have the booster. We have the shake. We have the shake. This is it. There doesn't have any side effect at all. Children are chewing it. We have children chewable also. So the product is just for you to tell them what it works for. It's just, this capsule is just for our body. It's nutrients. It's food. It is food. Just plant-based. It doesn't add anything, just plants. Fruit and vegetables, that's what they contain. 30 varieties of fruits and vegetables at a go. So what are we waiting for, my sisters? We are just complaining. If you have that friend that do borrow money from you, just bring her come. Tell her, may you just bring that 60 euro, may you come use and say, start this business. You'll see, say the following month, you know, borrow money again. They will pay her the money sharply. And they won't ask you to bring any money. They won't ask you. It's not a must for you to say until you buy all the. You can even tell people. As you are saying it now, you are saving life. Some of us are there that really need something. We really need this protein. We really need these vitamins in our body. But we don't know what to do. We don't know how to get it. But as you are out now to say, don't say because you are shy, you can't come out. But you are not shy to go to party. You are not shy to be everywhere. Some people will be doing video, just normal video. So this is just to come and say what this thing is made of. You may be saving lives. You don't know. The last video I did, somebody just called me, said he has this big tummy. I have been looking for what to use. I described it. I explained how this works. That if you can follow it, not that you will make the booster in the morning before you do anything. After finishing that one booster for 30 minutes, you go to your kitchen, you turn big bowl of semo, and you say the booster is not working. But if you follow it and take it, that you really know you use your money to get this, and you really want to work on your body, you follow it up, it really works. I've already told you in my past video that this picture that we are using, they are not Photoshop, they are not fake, they are real people. They use it and it works for them because they have the time that they really want to see the work of this product. So my people, grab your copy subito, because this thing is for everybody to collect their own from this company. They are ready to pay us that money. You can see people, if you join this thing, you come and you see by yourself. You see people testifying, coming for testimony, see money, see how they are collecting salary. That's the work that you are working that you use 40 years to do before you retire. This one, just gather all the 40 years together, 5 years to achieve what you are looking for. You can still be working and be doing it. This one is another money coming from, you understand? Yes, because there are people there now, they have already used many drugs. They have already prescribed many for them that go for this, go for that, but it's not working because they are not following it up. And they will tell you, you can take it this one, take it that way, but this one you can take, it doesn't have side effects at all. It's just fruit, very beautiful. They are nice. All the products are as in amazing. You can see all this one now. If you open it, it's just pure vegetables, vegetable blend. This one is the berry blend. We have the fruits, so all contain fruits and vegetables, so they are not harmful. This one now, if you take it will make you full. You will not be hungry to eat this one, eat that one, that will make you have unnecessary weight or unnecessary tummy that you don't really want. So what are we still talking about that it is a scam? I will now come outside there to scam you people to 60 euro, and I will still bring my face that it's a scam, because I've done it and I received the salary, I received the bonus, I received the commission. As in, you know, sister, I just dey happy. I just dey as I just see money. I no carry bag. They run say 6 to 6. I just dey inside as month end. Before today na 10, I receive, and next month 10 I will still receive. So what are we waiting for? The money we are to register, I never collect am times. Collect am. So we can just try, just give it a try. We have more than that. Our shoe worth past 60 euro. We wear with a dress, we all those our babes. We have 60 euro shoe. We don't even they buy them. They buy more than that. So why can't you invest on 60 euro? Why can't you invest on 60 euro and later you will see that the 60 euro has multiplied. The 60 euro really changed life. This just plus this thing, they are changing life. The business is so amazing. For me to come out here myself to say this, that means it is real. I waited for this time to see maybe this thing that they are talking is really reliable, that we can really trust them. So, but when I enter inside, I say no, we dey here. Like my upline will say, I die here. Say she know they do anything, she die here. So me self, I don't enter, I dey here. So come and follow me and try this, and later you call me and say, I'm not joking. We are just sleeping, waking up, sleeping, waking up, sleeping, eating, sleeping with our phone. They use and they press, they use and they do chatting. You can still use it to collect money. As they collect money, they like somebody's page, they do this one, those ones that are receiving their own money. We can still use it to collect money from. So what are we waiting for? Men are doing it. Men are in this business. Yes, they are doing it, and they are doing fine. They don't get problem. No be say this business, no be you get the product, you they carry up and down, you carry bag, you carry luggage, they sell. No. Once you open, once you register, they give you your own website. People, you they sleep, people they order. You they sleep, people they order from your website. You go wake up, you go see, even when you no sleep, you they still say people they order from there, because you are saving lives also. Men that have big tummy and you want to reduce it, contact me. I will tell you how you're going to use it and you follow up. I will even follow you up so that I will tell you how you look like before. The how your level, how the weight look, the kilo of what you are weighing then. Then after taking it now, or you're sitting on it, you still weigh yourself. You see that the difference is so much clear. Men that have pimples, you have been trying to make rid of those pimples and they are not going. You've tried many creams, it's not going. Just come. Maybe it's in the blood. Maybe something is wrong with the hormones. Contact me. I will tell you what to take and how to take it. They are not harmful. Like, seriously, they are not harmful. They have it for kids. They are not harmful at all. They have it for children. See it. This is for kids. If it is harmful, they will never tell you to give your children. This is for kids. Look at it. It is not the fruits. Are they not the same? As you can see, this is for children. That is why they do it like this, chewable, so that our kids can chew it. They can chew it just like sweet. They have it also in vegetable. Even with ladies that we are not fat, but our tummy is big, we can't go out without not using Gedo. Contact me. I will tell you what to take. Within a month, you will see the difference if you follow it up. I'm sorry, my people. I'm sorry for the interruption. Just what they call coming. They wanted to call me, so I have to tell them to inbox me. So what I'm saying is that people are doing this business and they are not regretting it. That is why I'm here to say it. We have the 60 euro. We'll just use it to buy biscuits, to buy banana, chop, finish. We'll go to toilet and dispose it. But if you put this 60 euro on this business, trust me, the next month you'll be expecting more than the 60 euro that they will pay you. So now tell me, how much did you invest? Nothing. They are not asking you to bring 300 euros. They are not asking you to bring money before you can come and register. You register with your 60 euro, and the following months they are going to pay you more than that 60 euro. So if you even remove the 60 euro where you say register, put for your pocket, you see half change. And the more you change life there, the more your commission high. I can bring you in now. You can register today and go above me. Overtaking is allowed. So my people, that is why I'm here today. The product, these are just the products. I've already made my own. Look at it. This is it. I've already blended it. That's what I will be taking. Once I take this one, I'm okay. I'm okay. So this is it. I've already made it. So for me to just drink. It is wonderful. So my people, that is just it. The capsule also. So we have the booster also. You know that tummy, you don't like it. Come. I will tell you what to do. Just inbox me. Don't call me now because I'm on video. I'm on live video. Just inbox me. I will message you when I'm through. I will tell you what to do. So my people, so I'm just here, particularly what to carry me come now today, this night. And because of this business opportunity for we ladies out there that we are not doing anything. It pays. I can't lie to you. Men are doing it. It's for you to just tell them how the product look like, and that is good for the body. All those pictures, it is people that were there, and it's not that with the Photoshop or we put the pimples for their face or we type a cloth for their belly. No, they are there live and direct. They are our people, my bosses, because some people just, they are customers, they bought the product and they use it and they see that, wow, this thing really worked for them. They join, and they were there now doing fine, making money. Some are even working. Some are working. Once they're closed from their work, they will just come to their phone, open it and see those that have ordered, and they will tell them, see what this thing is good for. The people's is just supplements, plant-based. It's just plant-based products. It doesn't have chemical. The omega blend, they don't keep fish. They didn't put fish inside. It's also a plant-based product. Very good for our body. For those of us that have dry skin, we can use it also. If you don't want to take it, you can use it as you can add it to your cream to soften your skin. Yeah. So my people, they are not harmful. For them to just have it like this, this is it. I hope soon. This is it, the fruit. And the vegetable. That is it, my people. It is not harmful. You know, they do anything for body. You know, get side effects. Chemical no dey. The fruit wey we dey chop, 30 varieties. I never chop. How many fruit I don't chop today? The fruit wey I dey buy now make me dey buy fruit now, and because I dey blender. Yes. So my people, if you know you have that big tummy that you don't want, that you disturbing you don't let you do gallant, even men that have it, you can just contact me. I'll just tell you how you are going to take it. That the belly didn't allow you to dress corporate, message me. And that pimples that's there, that is so stubborn, I don't want to leave that your face, contact me. Start it, follow it up. First snap your face first, snap and keep on one side. Start with the day on this GP for 1 month or 6 weeks. Snap yourself again. Come carry the 2 phone, the 2 pics, check them. You no need to even check her. People will tell you, say, what do you call they use if you follow it up? Because the vitamins are there to take care of all your body, to get away those unwanted this thing that is inside you away. Because it may be, if you take it now, to go into your body to correct that immune that is not correct there. That it's making you to have rashes, to make you to have pimples, that's stubborn pimples that is not there. If you already use many creams, not going. Try it the inside. Let it give the inside the nutrient that they want, so that all the livers, all the gbogbo inside your body will cooperate. Once they'll just clean up that face. Before you see yourself now, everywhere do good. So that is that for the product. And for the business opportunity, my ladies, try it. That 60 euro is not the problem, my sister. I know it. That 60 euro is not the problem. I was just saying that 60 euro. I said, let me just try it. I said, let me just try. I just see this my lady. I said, I said, just stay in this business. I've already had it before. I just say, again. Let me just go. How much is this 60 euro? Let me just try it, because there's no harm in trying. Nobody can scam you and bring their identity. And bring their identity. No. So my people, this is just the way I can just say. I don't know how to say it, because they pay me, because to see things happening now, we say, this thing is just, I'm just tired. I'm just being at home. Ever since I'm at home, I don't work, I don't do anything, because it's hard. Because of this COVID-19, people are losing their jobs. Some they were just still waiting there to call them back, but yeah, they have not. Why can't we just use this 60 euro? Just, you like, sleep. Even if you want to lie down, you can lie down. If you want to sit, you can sit. Even though you are turning your food, you are cooking, you can still be checking who is ordering. Tell people. People will tell you. They will ask you, I need this thing, but I don't know how to get it, or I have this big tummy, or I have these rashes that have been disturbing me, or some even say they have disturbs in their body that they don't know. You can take it. Don't wait until you have hypertension, diabetes, before you can use it. Don't wait until you have that blood pressure before you can use it. Don't wait before you have that kidney problem before you can use it. Don't wait until you are sick before you be finding supplements. Before you be saying, I want to reduce this food that I'm eating. Try it now. Try it now, my people. It's amazing. It's a plant-based product. As in fruit. Some people they now today, they never chop fruit. Wọ́n ti jẹ ẹni kankan. Wọ́n ti jẹ kankan. Fruit. Why you no chop am? Because you no fit buy all the whole fruit. You no fit buy 30 fruit at a go. All these berries. We no fit buy all, because if you say you should go to the supermarket and buy all the berries that day, you spend more than 25 euro, and if you no finish, it go spoil. So why can't you take it? Because it's there inside here. 120 capsules are there inside. See the vegetables, 120 are there inside. See the fruits, are there inside. So what are we waiting for? Come and make that your skin look beautiful. Make that your skin look charming. Make that your skin make it glow. As in, you understand? Like my people. Yeah. So don't relay that these people, I don't really know, maybe they want to just collect my 60 euro. No, my sister, they are not collecting your 60 euro. They want to give you more of that 60 euro. They want to give you times of that 60 euro. They are not even collecting it. They just want to use that word to tell you you are welcome to this business, and we pray you have more of this opportunity. That is just the registration for them to just tell you that you are welcome. And at the end of the month, they will give you back that 60 euro times that 60 euro. Today now, they sleep. I don't even know, say now today be 10. I don't pay. Before we see another month go come, I go still collect my money, put for my pocket. So, they pay me because I work for them. I work for the company. So why can't you just come and work for the company also, to take your own money without doing anything? You can still use this. And if during the process that we are on this product already, that we are doing it, they still call us for work. Why can't we go? This one don't disturb us of it. This one is just online. Everything is online. For you to just tell them what it's made of, you be sleeping. Once they order, it doesn't concern you. That they will carry the thing, go give the owner for a house, and then we do the shipping. The company will ship it for you. So this business is just comfortability, just there. If they comfort, for you to just stand there, see brother, you say you need wetin na this one na it be good though, this is the one you need. If you explain give you say wetin you need to take risk of, you tell her say na it be this, so see how you take am go to this so place buy am, you just dey na they go carry am, na the company na you go even cheaper come give the owner for us. E no concern you wey you dey sell, e no concern you wey you dey tell them say see wey you dey do your, you just sit down dey tell them, and the person make use of it very well. The way wey you take explain for am, make you follow up, you go work for am, because the next time when you finish you go still come, because the thing really work for am, because you change life. Some people don dey now, they no fat physical, they go just tell them say they go dey sick, they go dey faint, wake up wetin fat too much inside, e don block some kind things. Fat too dey for blood. If you fat too dey for blood, you are just make person no go die one day, because the fat dey inside. Some day they no fat outside, say they just full ground, but inside. Why not we come and take care of our body? Our health is our wealth, my sister. Our health is our wealth, my brother. If this health no dey, where the wealth wan take come? Na this health, na this body, na we want to find the wealth. So let's take care of it. We never old, we get big belly. We never born, we get big belly. Why? Food. Limit it. Follow up with this. As I say tell you, say use am, just follow it up. My dear sister, my dear brother, you will testify. Say see wetin this thing do me. I no go ever leave am. I will suffer dey take am. All those food that no dey, wey e don dey this side, wey they no dey useful, you go throw away, they all go burn. You go burn, they go break am into pieces, they go comot am for your belly. And the work be this one. E go make you full. You know, go come dey hungry, they eat all those chocks that you don't need to eat. You leave am. Carry biscuit, carry sweet, carry shingo, carry gbogbo. You go leave am, because you know they hungry no go catch you. So that is it, my fellow people. So that is what I came here to say, because as the thing they do me for body, I just dey see say money just dey one place. We say you no go carry and put for head like this, say you dey hawk, you dey go for street, or you carry and put for passenger, they push, they go say my brother come buy, my sister come buy. No, they make it easy for you. Just tell them, see wetin this thing dey work for. Make your body glue, make this thing come up for your face, make you look good, look healthy, look younger past your age. If you call this business now, come enter, come see mamas, you go think say there be small pikin as they just stay fresh. Wetin then they follow up with the supplements. Oyinbo they take supplements, I make them see they fresh. You go see old people, they will look young. As supplements, because wetin it contain, we no fit chop am for a day. Lie. We no fit. All we eat is carbohydrates, gbogbo starch, gbogbo. We no go even no vegetable for body, no protein. So that is why I'm here also. So to tell you people, the business is booming, sweet. It give person comfort. For your house, you cross leg, they press your phone, they sell, they press your phone, they laugh, they press your phone, they rejoice. I just wake up this morning, I just dance. Let me say, I just jump and say, ew, this one, thank you. I never know, say, now will still pay me this man. I never even expect. I just say, I dey wait for ending of the month. I don't know, saying I saw it dey fast, as in, don't be smart, you know. Everybody today with jolly, all the group with jolly, they don't pay us today. See, people are collecting salaries. So what we call they do? We just sleep for us. They do nothing. Why they are paying? They have 155 euros. Not be PayPal, euros, money, dollars, pounds to pay. The company won't pay us. Say, come, I won't give you this 155,000. So how you take get us the 155,000? Now for you to come with your 60 euro. Register, they give you your site, you start to make your own, tell people where you need them. If you not be this, not be only here, they feel people feel they from outside the country. You did 25 countries now, you don't do now. You did people go order from your, they see you say you explain, and the thing they do there for body, they will come, they will message you, say, how you take day. You explain, give them, they will just go there, you will see their order. wetin concern you? They don't send the product, go give them for us. The company don't do it for you. At the end of the month, you just wait, you collect you see your money. You see your money. You don't register, they will pay you your salary. The 60 euro where you use, they don't give you times. You don't even forget say you use 60 euro take because you don't collect the 60 euro. So tell me what you invest for inside. It's for you to still gather money. You too, you can get the product and use it, because you will telling people see what the product they work for. You must still get some. May you see tell them say, may you self see and say the product is really working fine. It's really working fine. Because for you, I am the product. You to register, you are still the product. You need to show them what you are dealing with. You show them. It is the product we have. They are very good. So my sisters, my brothers, my mommies, my sisters, my aunties, everybody, because in this business, for our meeting there, grandmas day, young grandmas, if they come like this, you'll see they say this on a pepper grandma, pepper their grandma. They just they're going to tell you, say, see how the be. So when grandmas are doing it, why we ladies can't do it? Let us grab it. Grab the money, my sister. Grandmas are doing it, they are doing fine. Men are doing it, they are doing fine. As in, if I say fine, well, not only blacks are doing it, whites. We have it in all countries. Our country people, our Africa people, Gambia, Cameroon, Senegal, everybody did this thing. And they are making it real. So my people, let us grab our own. No, this 155 now for everybody. No be one particular country. No be one particular person. Everybody now the gap, everybody. So let us come. May we know to the sleep again. May we just carry on. Start to the register. May we collect our own money. Me don't collect my own today. I dey happy. I dey wait for the next month. So now it make me come and say, no be only me go feel. I feel talk, give people say, see how it be. No be fake. They know they collect anything from you. All you need is just with your 60 euro. And the following month, they pay you back that your money with interest. They will pay you with your bonus. They will pay you times that 60 euro where you just use. You just like say you just use 60 euro take open door. If you want 10, they give you your 60 euro. And you add more than that 60. You command your 60 euro where you take register, put for pocket. Wait till come remain. Who lose? Nobody lose for here. You know, invest. They don't say you come bring 100 euro to take invest. They don't say you bring 200 euro make you come invest. Nothing. Just register with your 60 euro. The next month you get your 60 euro back with bonus. So what are we saying? Come and try it, my sister. Our woman hair where we they put for heads more than 60 euro. Our shoe, even our clothes, some where we they wear is more than 60 euro. So we can make it. Let this 60 euro turn our lives. Let the 60 euro make profits. Let the 60 euro huge for our accounts. Money no dey too much, because you dey make you feel they go your work. This one na online business. Just content them say see what this one they work for. At the end of the day, you collect your salary, my people. So that is why I'm here to tell you guys, men, if you are interested in this capsule, maybe you have pimples on your face that you don't like, and you've already tried many creams, it's not going. Just contact me. Message me on my WhatsApp, on my Facebook, or you can go to the site. Or if you don't understand this more, you can message me or call me. I will explain it to you. Or you have that tummy that you don't like, that is just you're not fat, but your tummy is just too big for your liking. Just call me or inbox me. I will tell you how to use it very well, and I promise you, you will know that there is difference between what you have been taking before and this one that you're taking now, because this one have no any side effect at all. It doesn't harm, it doesn't do anything. It is just pure plant-based products, which is very good for our body. Even doctors are giving to their patients. I recommend it to patients to take. So you can see universities are making research of it. Universities in Italy is making research of it in Milan, Parma. So for them to make research of it, you can see that it's not a product that is just anyhow product. It's a product that you can you can relax and tell people that this product, no. If you search your Google, you can search it there, you see it, the university that are making research of it. So my people, that is what I just come here to tell you people, say, see how they play. So my people, I have to go now, but if you are interested in the booster, you can inbox me for your big tummy. And if you are interested in the breakfast, we have it in chocolate and in vanilla, you can inbox me. I will tell you how to follow it up. And if you are interested in the booster also, you can inbox me. I will explain how all works for you. If you don't understand it very well, or if you are just joining me, you can go back to play the video and see what I've said, what I've already said, because about this booster. If you need it, you can inbox me. If you need the capsule also, you can inbox me. I will tell you how to use it and how to get it. And if you're interested in, you want to get it for your kids, you can inbox me. I will tell you how to get them. They are just chewable for them to chew. You understand? If you the children where you don't give a vegetable eat, or they don't take fruit, how you want make their body be? You cannot be you where you be the mama say you never have to chop 2 fruits for a day. How you want to give children now? So this is just good for them. They have it in fruit and in vegetables. So if you are interested, you can inbox me. I will tell you how to get it. And if you are interested in this capsule, you can inbox me. I will tell you how to get this free for your kids also. You get this free. But if you are interested in the capsule, just let me know. Or if you are interested in just for your kids, you can still let me know. Men, if you are interested, why not? You can try it. If you have your tummy big and you want it to come down, you can try it. Okay? So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you. I thank you. You guys are the best. I can see your messages. Thank you. So that is all I have to say now. I need to go, and next we are going to see you again, and I will show you how I prepare my breakfast, if it is possible, my lunch or my dinner. So bye. Thank you all. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you for coming. Appreciate you all for coming. Thank you. I love you all. Don't forget to check in the website to see how the one you can go for, the fruit blend and the berry blend and the vegetable blend. They are good for our body. So thank you all. I'll be going now. Thank you.